Welcome to our step-by-step guide for setting up your projector with ease. In this video, we will walk you through the process of setting up your projector in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Find the perfect location for your projector. It should be a flat surface and close to a power source. Step 2. Connect your projector to your laptop or device using an HDMI or VGA cable. Make sure both ends are securely plugged in. Step 3. Power on your projector and wait for it to warm up. This may take a few minutes. Step 4. Adjust the focus and zoom settings on the lens of your projector until the image is clear and centered on your screen or wall. Step 5. If necessary, adjust the height and angle of your projector to achieve the desired image size and position. Step 6. Connect your audio source, such as speakers or headphones, to the audio output of your laptop or device. Step 7. Get comfortable and enjoy your movie, presentation, or gaming experience. Remember to clean your projector regularly and store it in a safe place when not in use. Thank you for watching our step-by-step guide on setting up your projector. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Happy projecting!